Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are going to make delicious apple oatmeal muffins. I've been making these muffins for years. I thought I shared this recipe with you, but I haven't, so I'm happy today I'm going to share it with you. It's so delicious, healthy, easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are apple, rolled oats, vegetable oil, or I have grapeseed oil, an egg, which is optional, salt, raisins. You could also have chopped dates, dried cranberries, or other dried fruit, chopped nuts, cinnamon, and cooking spray. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to spray our muffin tin with cooking spray. You could also just wipe the pan with oil, get a napkin and wipe it if you don't have cooking spray. Next, we're going to go ahead and chop our apple. Make sure to wash it first. Go ahead and quarter it. Take the core out. You can actually chop this in the blender or just by hand. You can just chop them in strips, and then we'll chop them the other direction. Once you have them all lengthwise, just turn them and cut them the other direction to chop them in even pieces. Okay, we have our apple chopped, and usually I actually do it in the blender because it's faster, but then you have to clean the blender, so you gotta decide which way you want to do it. So we'll go ahead and put the apple in a bowl. And you usually use a medium apple. I know they're all different sizes, but your recipe will turn out delicious if it's a little bigger, a little smaller. So next, your oats, 1.5 cups of rolled oats. This is like old-fashioned oats, not quick oats, don't use those. Then we have 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, or I like to use grapeseed oil. 1 to 2 eggs or no eggs. I've made it both ways. The eggs kind of bind it together a little bit better, but you can leave them out. It tasted delicious that way too. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of raisins. 1/3 cup of chopped nuts. You can use whatever you like. I have chopped walnuts, and you can adjust the dried fruit and the nuts, add more or less to your taste. And then 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I like cinnamon, so I'm going to put the whole teaspoon. So combine all the ingredients together. You can combine them with a fork or a spoon. We're going to combine them, then we're going to let them sit for a few minutes so the oats absorb all the moisture from the apples and the eggs and the oil before we put them in the muffin tins. So we'll be back in a few minutes, and then we'll put them in the muffin tin. Okay, our muffin batter has been sitting a few minutes. The moisture has absorbed into the oats, and we're going to put them into the muffin tin evenly into each one. Once the muffin tins are filled, if there's any left, go back and add some to make them even. Got a little messy. If you are, just go ahead and brush in the extra pieces of oats or fruit into the muffin tins. You can also pat them down to help them stick together better. Let's go put them in the oven next. So we're baking them at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes or until the muffins start to brown. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Let's check our muffins. And they smell delicious. They look delicious. So let's go try them. Okay, our apple oatmeal muffins are finished. They smell amazing, and I'm ready to try them. I think an easy way to get these out of the muffin tin is use a spoon to just help pull them out. They come out really easy. Okay, these are delicious for breakfast, snack, put one in your lunch, and they're good with butter, peanut butter, almond butter, and just plain. But I'm going to try it with butter. It's so good, you wouldn't believe it. I love these. You could make some variations on them too with different nuts or dried fruit. Try them, and I'll see you in the next lesson.